Hey gang, welcome back to Opa'S Diecast Restorations. Today's video is my entry into Opa'S Wild, Wacky, and Weird Off-Road RV Challenge. So, stick around, let's have some fun. You know you will. This is what I started with. It's a Hot Wheels GMC motorhome. Before we get started, if you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Let's begin. I had already pre-drilled and tapped the post. There was only one. The back just kind of latched into a slot. This was the Captain America GMC RV. Get it into the stripper here. I use that little wire because it's a lot easier and less messy to pull it off. Here it is out of the stripper. Cleaned it off very well. Here it is after I put it on the wire wheel. Overall, it was a great casting. I had an original idea that I wanted to go with, so I took this Corgi London taxi and cut just the top of it off. I've got so many of them that I thought one wouldn't be missed. I lost the footage of me attaching it to the top and cutting out the top of the motorhome, but this is what it looked like after I got it glued on. Now we're going to hit it with some steel wool. There weren't any casting lines. I did have to remove the taxi sign at the top, then filled in the hole with the JB weld. Here we are for our first bath in the mineral spirits. Now we're getting ready for some primer. I used the Krylon gray and the Krylon white primer. On this one I used the gray. Get all of our pieces, plastic pieces, in the hot soapy water. Get them cleaned up. Windshield was in good condition, didn't need much work on it. So after I cleaned it and it dried, I put it in the pledge, and it shined it up, brightened it up very well. No, dummy, you can't use the little container to cover it. Gotta go with a big one. There you go. The color I chose, in my head, I didn't have the money or to go out and buy the sparkle or whatever you want to call it, the metal flake, to add to my paint. And I already had a can of testers that was the color I wanted. So that's why I'm spraying it with a rattle can. It's a dark green metallic. Yeah, now you'll see I lost some footage. It was corrupted or something. But I'd already attached the wheels and axles of whatever wheels I was going to use by the time I was able to collect it back on video. Here's the glass for that London taxi section. Pops right in. And we're going for our motorhome original plastic. Get the screw back in it. Here's a look of what we started with. Well played with. Dingy. All the decals were gone. Scuffed up. Play worn. Here's what we ended up with. I added the detail in. Tail lights, the headlights, the grill. If you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. For now, this is Opa saying, see you in the outdoors. Goodbye.